Explain it. The tap is providing energy to because the water, energy can't be created or stored, but there's always some waste. So if you turn the tap off, the balloon would stop moving. But because the tap's on, that's providing energy to the balloon, which means it stops. But look, you turn the tap off and the balloon stops moving. That's all to do with energy and waste energy. Now that tap makes a lot of waste energy. It might take in 100 J of like chemical energy or electrical energy or heat energy, I don't know, whatever it is. But it may only like produce out 50 as useful water, which should be kinetic energy. It would produce the other 50 out as noise energy or movement energy or some other useful stuff, or heat energy if it was hot water. So hot water is less eco-friendly than cold water. That's a very important lesson. Always just use cold water on a summer's day and just heat it up in the sun. It's much more important. It saves the planet. Look. And that makes a weird squeaky noise now. And I don't know why it does that, but it sounds like metal. Maybe the water turns the balloon into metal involving a chemical reaction. Okay, bye.
Bye.